Physics Class 12 Chapter 6 Electromagnetic Induction. Lenz's law and conservation of energy. Lenz's law states that the polarity of induced EMF is such that it tends to produce a current which opposes the change in magnetic flux that produced it. That means suppose I have got a loop here and I am going to bring a magnet with the suppose south pole I am bringing closer. Then when I bring here, there will be field lines which will increase here. Okay, if field lines are increasing, that means the flux also will increase. If flux will change, okay, there will be change in the flux. So when I bring closer, by Faraday's law of induction, it says that there will be induced EMF in the loop. Now Lenz's law says that the EMF which is induced, it will try to oppose the change in the field magnetic flux. So here magnetic flux is increasing. That means the current which is induced will try to oppose that increment in the flux. That means it will oppose the south pole which is coming. Now you know that if there are two south poles, they will repel. So this will behave like the south pole. And if suppose I give the arrow like this in this loop, then the current will be in this sense. That means in the clockwise direction. Now suppose I take this bar magnet, the south pole I take away from here. Okay, so what happens when I take away, field lines also will become decreased. That means the flux which is connected here also will decrease. That means again there will be induced EMF here. Okay, but now what happens, Lenz's law says that it will oppose the decrement in the magnetic flux, so it will try to attract this. So we know that if there is an attraction between south and north pole, that means this will try to behave like the north pole. So if I give arrow like this and I give direction like this, then the direction will be in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, it is same with if I take the north pole away, this will behave like the south pole. If I bring north pole closer, this will behave like the north pole. Okay, so it happens for both. So this is what the Lenz's law. Okay, here in the figure I have shown north pole I am bringing closer. So the induced EMF will try to, the magnetic field lines are increasing, so it will try to oppose the increment in the magnetic flux. So it will behave like the north pole. So if you give like this and draw and give this direction arrow, so the direction is in the anti-clockwise. And suppose north pole you are taking away, then it will behave like it will try to pull it, so it will become like the south pole. Okay, and that if you draw S, give the direction arrow you give, so it will be in the clockwise direction. Suppose that induced current was in direction opposite to shown in figure A. In that case, south pole of induced EMF will face the approaching north pole of magnet and it will be attracted and increase acceleration. Its velocity and kinetic energy continuously increases without expending any energy. So what happens now? Suppose it is not happening opposite direction. Okay, suppose it is becoming south pole. Okay, suppose it is not in this sense but current is in opposite sense, so it is behaving like the south pole. North pole is coming here, this behaves like south pole, so there will be attractive force, so there will be acceleration will be there, velocity will increase, kinetic energy will increase. And if this is happening, then you are not expending any energy because one is south, one is north, they will attract each other. If this can happen, one can construct a perpetual motion machine by suitable arrangements. Perpetual means always working, eternally working. But what happens, we cannot create any machine which have got 100% efficiency, or this is not possible. This violates law of conservation of energy and hence cannot happen. So this cannot happen, that if north is coming, here also becomes south. Okay, it will be in the opposite direction only. Okay, so the polarity will be opposite. The bar magnet experiences a repulsive force due to induced current. Therefore, a person has to do the work in moving magnet. This energy is dissipated by Joule heating produced by the induced current. So now what they are saying, that if this bar magnet, if this is the north pole, okay, so it is opposing. I am bringing this, it is opposing. That means you have to do some work to change or to bring closer, and that work is converted, that energy is converted as a EMF and Joule's heating. Okay, that EMF you are getting and the Joule's heating. So today we'll keep this much. Thank you very much.